guys, welcome to another video. And I made a video about Sprout gigs, and a lot of you are using it and you are DMing me on my Instagram telling me you are making a lot of money from there. So I have another alternative for you, and it's called Microworkers. So just go to microworkers.com and click on register, and now you need to input your first name, your middle name, your last name, and your gender, whether you're male or female. Select it, and also your company. You don't need to have a company, so just input any. Now you can use your name as your company, and also your date of birth. Follow it with follow what I'm doing on the screen right now, and you'll be done with the registration form. So now your email address, make sure it is near you and you have access to it, because a code will be sent to it for verification. Okay, so once you're done with that, now you need to create a new password, and make sure this password is strong enough, because you don't want anybody logging into your account and placing a cash out order on your behalf. So now let's go ahead and input your address. Okay, so input your address right there, and also your zip code. If you're in Ghana, it's 00233. If you don't know your zip code, you can go to Google and search for the zip code of the country you are in, and you find it. So I input the city I am in, or for their newsletters and work screen. So I'll disable this because I'll be a worker, not an employer, so I'll be disabling this. So I'll just click on submit right here, and then a verification code has been sent, a verification link has been sent to my Gmail. So I'll hop on and I'll go to mail.google.com. I just hop on to mail.google.com to find my verification link to Microworkers. And also, let me tell you, this website really works, and I've cashed out two times before I'm making this video. You know what? Anytime I make the video, I make sure I cash out more than 2 times before I verify it's legit. So if you're looking for ways to make money online, then you are on the right channel. All I ask in return is for you to subscribe to the channel. As you can see right here, I have $0 because I've not done any job. So when I click on this job right here, this page will come, and I can see there are a lot of jobs, thousands of jobs you can do. And this one's right here pays 0.05, you see, and others pay 0.1, others pay, and they are also simple things. They'll just ask you to visit a website or do something small. And now I need to verify my SMS. It's very simple. Send activate to this number you are seeing on the screen right here, and you'll be able to verify your text. If the number you used is not available, you can modify the number and do that. Okay, it's very simple. So when I click on my account, I can see a lot of things which are disabled right here. So I just click on enable and use Google Authenticator app and scan this. A code will be given to me, and I'll input the code inside the box right there, and then click on enable, and then I'm good to go. You see, it's enabled. So make sure you enable everything on the side, and now it's left with our phone verification. I'll do that right now. Make sure you have a lot of airtime, because this number is a US number. You have to get a lot of airtime before you'll be able to send text to it. You can use SMS bundles. So I've verified my account, so let's go ahead and do this job right here. It says it will pay me 0.05 to do this, but before that, we need to take a survey from this website. That's what is required for all new users. Because I just registered an account, I'll just accept and continue. And you can see right here what is Microworkers. You can read all this and click on next, and also just select fill out this form. It's just what you read on the previous page. There are questions that are asked here to know whether you paid attention and you are going to obey their rules and regulations of their rules on the website or not. So just read it. After you read it, you'll be able to answer these questions. It's very simple to answer. Even if you don't read it, you'll be able to answer, because it's very simple. This one's right here says accept for bank transfer from this. On-time verification is one-time SMS, one-time email verification. That's what is done before. So because I've worked with Sprout gigs and other recommended other alternative websites to them, so I know how it works. So it's very simple. Just answer the questions. Take your time and read it to answer the questions, because if you answer these questions correctly, you'll be able to get more offers. If you don't answer them correct, you will still get offers, but you'll be exposed to high level offers if you answer them correct, because they will know that you've paid attention to what they were saying on the previous page. So make sure you read that previous page before you come to the buy. You can also go to the PR even right here, the previous page, and then read it before you come and answer these questions. It takes only 10 minutes. So I'll just skip some parts and just go on with that. So once you are done with that, this is our first offer. It says find and click on the first page, and it says we should search. We should open. One says open Google Chrome. You can see right, open Google and search this keyword right here. So I'll copy the keyword. I'm showing you how to do the task in order to get paid. Just follow their steps. So I'll just click on that, and then I'll just copy it because they say we should search for that ACH transfer Zellbank on Google. So I'll just do this first step. I'll just do this first step, and you can see right here you need to input a verification code which will be on the website you are going, and also your IP address. So these are the two things you need to verify that you've done the work they asked you before you get paid. So make sure you do that. So let's go ahead and open Google, because they say we should clear our browsing tab, and I want to clear it. So I'll just go to new incognito tab so that my search history won't be there, my cache and cookies won't be enabled. So I'll just click on this I'm not a robot sign and select all traffic lights. Yours might not be this way, so you can see it right here. First step, they said we should search for this on Google, so I've done that on Google. And now the next thing is they say we should click on the website. As you can see, there are 3 websites right here, and they're all the same. So I'll just click on any of these websites because they matches what I pasted in the Google search bar. So I'll just click on this website right here. It says ACH Transfer International. So I can see it right here, Zellbank. So what this company does, this company went to Microworkers and paid them to promote it. So now they say we should go to this for more instructions. So you can copy it and paste it in another tab and see the instructions that you need to do. Okay, so you need the key to do this. So let me just get this. Okay, for a bonus, you share this. Okay, if you share it to your social media accounts, you give them a link to your social media accounts so that you get bonuses. But I won't do that. I just want to show you how to do. So once we search for that, we've clicked on it. They said next we should now look for a box, a red box down there. You can see it right here. So we clicked on it. They intentionally embedded it inside their website so that they will know those who would complete the task. Okay, so you won't know unless you go to Microworkers. So let's wait for the time down to come down. You can see our code right here, 8144. So I'll go ahead and copy this code and then go back to Microworkers and paste it at the box provided, because we need 2 things for them to verify that we've done the work. That's our verification code and our IP address. So I'll just input my verification code right here. So if you don't do the task, you'll be able to get a verification code. Once I click on that, I'll now go to whoer.net, WHOER.net. It will show you your IP address. Okay, this is a tip. Okay, so just go ahead and copy this your IP and then go back to your IP section and paste it right there. So now the bonus links are here, but I don't want to do that, so I just click on submit. But if you want to get paid more, you can just share it to your social media platform and give them the link to the person. And you can see right here, I've already made 0.04500. okay, it's supposed to be 0.05, but Microworkers also take their fee. So this is how you do the jobs, and there are thousands of this. So if I do this 1,000 times, you already know how much I'll be making. And I told you I've cashed out 2 times from this website, so there is no need for you to think whether it is legit or not. Okay, because you know what I do on this channel if I help you make it. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel.